It's springtime here in England now, and as you can see, there's loads of daffodils right now. And this is the famous York Bar Walls here in England. I guess this wall is about 1,000 years ago. Is this a famous tourist spot in York, Han?
The bar walls, yeah.
Good as new.